Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by aligning source and build artifacts so the delta will be meaningful. Clone or fetch the repository and check out the exact tag or commit that produced the deployed AUT. Once done, collect the two artifacts you will compare, the deployed binary and the current local build, and confirm their build ID. Make sure Git and a reliable binary diff tool are installed. This avoids guesswork and ensures the only way to compute a true delta is reproducible and deterministic. Next, normalize and compare. Unzip or extract the AUT artifacts so you can align files one-to-one. Strip or normalize non-deterministic metadata like timestamps, build ID, or key store signatures that would create false differences. Once normalized, use a binary diff tool such as bsdiff or xdelta to compute a compact delta between corresponding files or the whole binary. This produces a single patch representing only the functional changes. Use transitional checks to confirm file sizes and hashes before applying the patch. Finally, apply the delta to the deployed artifact using the matching patch tool and the exact source it was derived from, for example, bspatch or xdelta-d. Then install or push the patched AUT to a test device or environment and run smoke and regression tests to confirm behavior. If anything goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to re-examine normalization and commit alignment. Most mismatches arise from differing build metadata or using the wrong commit as a base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.